I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. Today I have this really special 1990 500 SL. It's the first of the R129 model. Being an early car, it means it's a non-cat full power, producing 326 brake horsepower. Only 75,000 miles on it. It is in stunning condition throughout. Last owner had it as part of a private collection for 17 years, and during that time he only covered 2,000 miles. How it's so well preserved is beyond me. I'd love to know, because every car should look like this one. It is in simply stupendous condition. Come on, I'll show you around. This car presents in fabulous condition. Finished in almandine metallic. The paint shine is unbelievable. Hard to believe this is a 32-year-old car. Equally as good inside, totally unworn, really fresh. An absolutely magnificent car. Comes with the electrically released hardtop, a very recently replaced soft top, also electric, and best of all, fully open top motoring. Has electric pop-up roll bar for safety. 8-hole alloys with 4 new Bridgestone tyres. She's NCT till April 23. I don't think I've ever seen a 31-year-old car as clean as this. Absolutely spanking. Comes with toolkit, first aid kit, spare wheel with instructions. So original. Moving inside the car, lovely colour combination here. The leather, the door cards with the carpeting, all perfect. Memory seats on both sides, electric, factory mats. She's heated seats as well, the electric windows. Kenwood stereo with multi-play CD in the boot. She's air conditioning, leather steering wheel, cruise control. The driver's door card. Also got the memory seats here. Look how clean this is. Driver's seat hardly worn. Engine bay presents really well as well. And the headlining both in the soft top and the hard top, excellent. Comes with full book pack, service book stamped, all the old MOTs. Let's go for the spin. Lovely roar of the V8 here. As you can imagine, with 326 horsepower, it accelerates very briskly. Stops well. Everything's working inside. Get the aircon here, blowing ice cold. When you're ever up and the 32 valves kick in, it really becomes a quick car. More torque than a Porsche 911 of the same era. You can see why these were such a sought after car. Really unworn, no shakes or rattles. The next owner is going to have great fun with this. Check out our 5-star rating on Trustpilot. We offer free delivery throughout Ireland, other places on request. Like and follow David Golding Cars Facebook page to be first to hear of our new arrivals. Thank you for watching.